All right, now I'll be solving the problems from the handout. Okay, there are three problems here. Okay, the first one, the three vectors are given to you. Okay, vector A, negative 3i hat, negative 4j hat, plus 5k hat. So x, y, and z axis. B, negative 1i hat, 4j hat, 2, negative 2k hat. Similarly, C, 3i hat, positive 2j hat, negative 5k hat. So in the first one here, it's asking you to find uh, A dot product with B plus C. In this case, you got to take a sum of B plus C first. So if you add B plus C, so you add 3i, okay? So negative 1i plus 3i. So that's the x component. Similarly, you do the same thing with y component. 4j plus 2j plus negative 2k, negative 5k. Okay, so that becomes 2i hat plus 6j hat minus 7k hat. Now you take a dot product with A dotted with B plus C. Okay, so this becomes, so you write both of the products here. Okay, so this is A, that is negative 3i hat, negative 4j hat, plus 5k hat. Okay, let me change that. Dotted with 2i hat plus 6j hat minus 7k hat. Okay, so negative 3i, this gives us negative 6. I dotted with I gives you 1. J dotted with J gives you 1. K dot product with K gives you 1. Now you do the same thing with J, so that is negative 4, positive 6. Multiply that, 24 minus 35, that is negative 65. So if it has a unit, it should have, you should write the unit. All right, here you have A dotted with B cross C. So B cross C IJK, and I would write I and J again. So negative 1, 4, negative 2, 3, 2, negative 5. Okay, similarly here, negative 4, sorry, negative 1, 4, 3, 2. So now let's find B cross C. That gives you, take this one, so negative 20. Okay, oops, that was 2 here. Negative 20 minus negative 40 I hat plus J, that is negative 6, negative 5, negative 6 minus positive 5, so that is negative 5, J hat. So now the K hat, this one, negative 2 minus 12k hat. So that gives you, oh, sorry, my bad, this should have been 4. Negative 16 I hat, negative 11 j hat, negative 14 k hat. Okay, now you dot that with a, so a is negative 3 I hat, negative 4 j hat, plus 5 k hat, dotted with negative 16 I hat, negative 11 j hat, negative 14 k hat. That gives you 3 times 16, that gives negative negative positive 48, 4 times 11, so that is 44. Okay, minus 70, that gives you 22. Okay, similarly